What's up? It's Harrison again from North Country Trains with another layout update. And this one is actually an unboxing video of a package that came in this morning. And I believe it might have some train cars in it, but we're going to unbox it and find out. This is from a follower of my blog, so if you're watching, thanks a ton. And we're gonna get this thing opened. Oh, look at that. We got some trains. Ah, a D&H 50-foot gone. That's sharp. Looks like the more modern paint scheme. Walther's main line is pretty good. Oh, look at that. It's a Delaware and Hudson bay window caboose. I've never actually seen one that's yellow. This is interesting. I have one that is red, an older Athearn. This is a more modern Athearn. It looks a little bit sharper. But yeah, I'll have to get this out on a train sometime soon before I tear down my layout. And we have a D&H 50-foot boxcar. This is an orange. I believe they acquired it from another railroad. I have to do some more research on that. I believe I was told they acquired them almost new from a smaller railroad. And this will fit my era pretty well, so that's nice. And we have a roundhouse box. We have a Gone kit. It looks fairly similar to the Walther's Gone. A couple minor differences. Lettering slightly different. The shield is different over here, the D&H shield. But this looks like a fun project. I'll have to get this together pretty soon. Alright, so let's get some of these cars out on the layout and we'll run a little train here. So here we have our pretty short D&H train pulled by RS11 5001. And on the siding there, that's actually a flat car, an ATSF prototype that I am currently scratch building. It's almost ready for details, but let's get this train rolling.